Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the zipper quickly and precisely. Look for missing teeth, bent stops, or a gummed-up slider. This tells you the right fix. Once you know the problem, clean the track with a brush and apply graphite or soap to free a sticky slider. Make sure to have pliers and needle ready. Those let you pinch a loose slider or replace stops. You'll act now on the clear failure point so repairs are targeted and efficient. You now free and realign the slider deliberately. Apply lubricant, then move the slider 5–10 times to work the material. This often restores motion. Once done, inspect the slider body. Use pliers to very gently crimp the wings so the slider grips both sides equally. If teeth misalign, unzip fully, realign the tape, and resew the zipper base or tack a new stop. Make sure to test under normal tension so you know the repair holds before finishing. Finish by replacing any damaged parts or completing a full swap when needed. You can install a new slider matched to the zipper size, add replacement stops, and sew a reinforced zipper end so it won't slip. Once done, run the zipper through its full range several times to confirm smooth operation. If separation or breakage persists under tension, make sure to replace the entire zipper or seek a tailor. That solves structural failures you can't fix with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.